Okay, so the best non-Debrid movie TV show only build for 2025 has to be just Scrubs. To me, it is nice, simple. Uh, just the picture alone is great. And the thing is, it used to be just Scrubs, but of course we all know that Scrubs does have some issues. But this one has the latest version of Scrubs anyway. Um, it's got a mixture of uh, one click, and of course Scrubs is a scraper add-on. So this is the one that I'm saying is the best for 2025 movie TV show only. If you guys know of any other TV show movie only Kodi build that that is, I don't know, equal or better, just let us know. There's so many builds out there from quite a few different developers, but I think for the size of it, it works on low end devices. It can work on touchscreen devices. You don't need necessarily to have a big build with like 12 different pages. So for those of you who don't want any live or don't want any sports, this is the one. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.